Welcome guys. If this is your first time to my channel, I am Claudette with MsPuff Creative Corner, and I just want to share with you what I got in the mail this week. Yeah, it is a mini stamping, cut, and embossing machine. And I got this machine because it'll be easier for me to do demonstration on my tabletop versus using the full-size machine. So it looks just like the bigger one, but it's much smaller, lighter, and cheaper. This one is made particularly for crafting on the go. So it works with many smaller dies and embossing folders. So it comes with all the plates that you need to start working. It comes with the base plate, which they're labeled. That's number 1. It comes with embossing plate, plate number 3. Plate number 4 is for the 3D embossing plate. And then you get your 2 cutting plates. A manual is also included. If you haven't done this already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well as the bell icon so you could be notified when I upload my latest videos. Once you open up your platform base on the mini machine, it measures 3.5 inches versus 6 inches on the full-size one. That measurement is the actual width of the platform. They also come with non-skid feet. Now on the logo to the front, the full-size one has a metal raised logo. With the mini one, the logo is etched out in ink. I don't know if that's going to fade with time. Now with the mini machine, it does not come with an Allen wrench. The handle side panel is that circular panel is a hard plastic versus the rubber plastic with the full-size machine, which came with the Allen wrench. You could always tighten up your handle if it gets loose. So if you're interested in getting one of these, I'll leave that information in the description down below. Thank you guys for tuning in. This is Claudette, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.